Compressed air is one of the most expensive utilities in an industrial facility. Yet, inefficiencies go unnoticed, leading to higher costs, wasted energy, and reduced operational efficiency. What if you could see, measure, and optimize your compressed air usage effortlessly? Introducing WiseAir 104, a state-of-the-art thermal mass flow sensor designed to give you precise control over your compressed air. With its high-precision digital signal processing, WiseAir 104 provides accurate flow measurement, independent of temperature and pressure changes. WiseAir 104 ensures precise flow measurement with high-precision digital processing, unaffected by temperature or pressure changes. Detect leaks before they become costly. Optimize air usage and reduce energy costs by up to 80%. From manufacturing to petrochemicals, power plants to food processing industries, worldwide trust WiseAir 104 for smarter energy management. Optimize your compressed air system today. Contact us to learn how WiseAir 104 can drive efficiency and savings for your business. By WiseAir Technologies India.